Hello, this is Dee from the Fishing Gardeners. Just wanted to come at you with, there you go, that's the ever-bearing mulberry. And just look. And she is going to town. Look at all the mulberries. All those mulberries. Again, this is the ever-bearing, and it seems to produce, to me, it seems to produce more when it's chillier weather than in a hotter climate. At least in my yard, that's what it seems to do. I mean, out of all of them, I have a Shangri-La, a Pakistani, I have a white mulberry, and this one right here, when it gets chilly, it really starts producing. I'm also going to show you another one. So what I did was I clipped a branch off of here, and that was in about, let's say about maybe September, and I put it, let's take a walk over here. I put it right here, and look. It's just growing. It's just a little stick, and it's just growing. Isn't that beautiful? And that's what I do with a lot of my fruit trees or herb trees. Just right here is a cranberry hibiscus. And basically I took a piece off of, I don't even have the original tree. I've just been taking pieces off of, like the first tree I had, because I think the frost hurt it. And I planted it other places, and then this is one of them. Okay, and this right here is another one. So as you can see, I also took a piece off of here, clipped it, and I stuck it right there. And it was just a stick, and it's starting to branch out. And that's how I keep my cranberry hibiscus trees alive. I plant them in multiple places around the yard, just in case one does not make it, and the other one will be the backup. So there's that. And this right here is the Shangri-La mulberry. And before, when I first got it, it didn't grow for the first 3 months. And then as it got a little chillier, as you can see, it started growing. And this is even with me doing some cuttings. And it actually has given us some mulberries off of here. So look how much it's grown. It's all the way up. And I've actually taken cuttings, as you can see. I did 2 cuttings right down there. Shangri-La grows different than, I like the way the Pakistani grows. While we're over here, look at that strawberry. And remember, I showed you the flowers. And this is what they are. And I actually got that from Ace Hardware Store. So it was a different type of that strawberry that I wanted to try. So that's where I got that from. And I also wanted to show you some of my blueberries. So see how those are going. It's producing a lot of blueberries there. This one's just getting started right here. This one's coming along slowly. This one's producing. As you can see, that one's producing. That one's producing some. And this one is starting in those areas. So that's just on this side of the house. So yeah, so I'm just bringing you where, as we're going toward spring, you know, some of the fruits that's becoming available as we go along. So I'll be bringing you more soon. Hopefully you're having a blessed day. Goodbye.